Rammstein bass breakdown of their self-titled song from 1996 from the album Herzeleid. So let's get straight into it. Open E 2 times. You go also to E on the A string, 7th fret. 8, F. 3 times. Pause. 8, 7. And that's the main riff, also the intro. Good to know if you are coming to a break or the bridge, you don't do the 8-7 or the FE, you don't do it. You stop. For the bridge you go to G on E and then 3 times. 1, G, and that's it. Again. That's about all you have to know to play this entire song. I hope you have fun with it.